Hey man, what's going on, guys? So I did install the tiny window, as you guys can see. Looks good, looks good. So all I gotta do is install the motor for the middle one. Still haven't installed it yet. Been lagging, but it's good. I like it. As you can see, still not installed. No, this is the motor for it. So all you got to do is mount it on. So I have a couple ideas for it. It's my first time installing it. My brother did it, but he did it a different method. But I'm gonna do it my way. Do another way and see which one I like. So I went to Ace Hardware and bought like some sheet metal. So what I'm gonna be doing is drilling some holes like down here, one for the motor and then one for the actual bracket down here. So there's gonna be two sheet metals right there. So I'll get back to you guys on that, and then after that we're gonna clean it up, take all the tools out, vacuum it, wash the outside. Yeah, it needs a good wash already, because yeah, it's dirty, real dirty, but she's getting there. She's getting there. And then I'll do a quick walk around with it, but she's getting there.